Zachary back with Biscuit. I'm doing an unboxing video for July 11th, 2016. Let's open up the box now. Hold on. The new 2016 DVD of VeggieTales, Puppies and Guppies. Stars about responsibility and kindness. 8 all new stories. 88 minutes of veggie fun. Here's Spike from Where the Cucumber. In the back. Get ready for veggie fun. Gather the whole family around. Puppies and Guppies. Junior gets pet. The Guppy Whisperer. Coolest Cucumber. Laura Bat. Popcorn Catastrophe. Ginger Jetpack and Larry's Cardboard Thumb. Oh. Join Bob the Tomato, Larry Cucumber, and other veggie friends for their super-sized collection of 8 all-new stories, music, and fun. For fun, silly songs, Puppies and Guppies, God sees our full potential to the right before he passes vegetables in the house. Let's unseal it. Here's the actual disc itself. That's all. Peace out. I gotta go now, guys. Peace out.
Hey guys, this is me, Zachary Dagwood, back with Biscuit. You probably don't get it. I'm in a cottage. And yes, I'm on vacation, and my great-grandfather built this cottage. And by the way, I'm gonna do a VHS update. Yesterday I went to a Monkey Valley village and found another 2000 VHS of VeggieTales. Where's God When I'm Scared? Extraordinaires is Washington Post. Here's Spiker Falk Jr. Spirit gets the top, the other spot at the back. Sunday morning values, Saturday morning fun. Where's God When I'm Scared? TK Steel, Where's Voice Computer, anime, so teach kids about perspective on handling everyday fears. Special feature the Wild Buffalo song. This time it has a sticker label. And there's a print date from March 5th of 2001. Now I went to the Showtown Valley Village and found the 2000 and up a rare 2000 VHS of Esther King Queen VHS eye-popping animation cartoon magazine. Here's Spine File Esther, the top, the other spine, and the back. Sunday morning value started from the King needs to get new and Esther's chose with wallpaper sample VHS. Smash it. Newsweek, World Crafty Darton says the Trent News. And here's the ink label and don't see the print date. That wraps up this video. Gotta go now, guys. Peace out.
Hey guys, this is me, Zachary Dagwood, here back with what's good. I've got a VHS update here. This afternoon, I went to Valley Village and found a 2000 VHS of Joshua the Big Wall. Anyways, here's the spot. Character file, the 9P, the top, the other spot, and the back. And it says Sunday morning values. Saturday fun. Joshua Big Wall contains a hilarious phone computer, animated to kitchen, gets biblical perspective on obedience. Special bonus featured the Slice of Boo. Mr. HBI, if you're watching this, I got this today. And it's a really hard to find tape in thrift stores. And here's the tape. Has an ink label. And a print date in invisible ink. I don't see a print date. I'll explain the print date later. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe to Take 2 for more videos. Peace out.
Hey guys, this is me, Zachary Dagwood, back with Biscuit. I gotta do a VHS update. Yesterday I was in Moncton, and
then when I got 2 tapes by PEI, I accidentally left my sweater on the island. So and then I got it back yesterday. So I got to do a VHS update. Yesterday I went to the Monkey Valley Boats and I found 2 Blue's Clues and 2 VeggieTales. Here's the 2 Blue's Clues I got. Here's Blue Takes You to School. Play and learn along with Blue at school and at home too. Spine careful, Blue. The top of your spine and the back says Blue Takes You to School promos. Social and emotional issues, conflict resolve, schedule, road time, numbers everywhere, number counting, addition, subtraction. Hit with the ink label, but no print date. And now here's the 2004 VHS of classic clues. Figure out school time, close at these 2 Blue's Clues episodes. Your spike for Blue at the top, and your spike at the back says Sunday Blue's School promo. Be good, read it in a comprehension, color, mixing skills, preschool, retail, something to do, Blue promo. Create problem solving, imaginative, whatever that word is. 2 episodes with your pal Steve. For distribution and retail or promos, use only, not for depletion or sale. Here's tape with the sticker label, no print date. Here are the 2 VeggieTales tapes I bought at the Valley Village in Moncton. Here's the 2003 Warner Brothers Canadian VHS of the Buffalo Joe. Has same casing and everything. Here's tape with the ink label and a printed invisible ink from the August 4th of 2004. And now here's our last but not least tape from Valley Village, and yes, it's a 2000. I finally got this tape. It's real extremely hard to find 2005 VHS of VeggieTales, Minnesota Key Construction Sand Airbrush. A lesson deals boys. Yes, I finally got this tape. Your spine from Minnesota Q, the top of your spine, at the back, and it says anywhere about certified. It's a vegetable tail. Can the vegetable capture Sam's championship put this into an end of bullying? Mystery interview. Action and silliness. Includes the silly song Pizza Angel. Featured music video by Charlie Daniels. There is something weird about this tape. It's an Everland Entertainment copy instead of Sony Wonder. And here's a pretty invisible link from March 14th of 2005. Can't see the print date. March 5th of 2005. And here's here's the tape I got from the Salvation Army. Except I didn't get any VeggieTales there. Except there were VeggieTales at Salvation Army, but all the ones there, they are the ones that I already have. Here's 2002 VHS of Blue's Big Band. When you sing, dance, and learn about music with Blue. Will you sing, dance, and learn about music with Blue? Here's Spiker for Blue, the top, the other spine, at the back. Blue's Big Band rhythm, complete sound spider, movement, and motor skills, bedtime business, bedtime rituals, music appreciation, color, individual. Oh, I can't. Here's the tape with the ink label, no print date. Oh, and I got 2 blank clamshell cases, and they are both sealed. And I put them in 2 cases that are in bad condition. the 1996 the first 1996 VHS Toys and Christmas, which I got 3 summers ago. Get rid of it to about June and Christmas before it's too late. Here's Biker Ball Buzz Louie in the back. Extraordinary is Washington Post. You want a toy that's fun. You want a toy that's cute. You want Buzz Louie. Special Buzz features OC and toy. Here's the tape with the sticker label. Open the date. Here's the 1998 V8 Everlighter tip features Blackjack Bay. The story of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego like you never seen before. Spine in the back. 1995 Corvette Award Where Best Church Fail. There's Strawberry at the Desert Chocolate Factory. Special Buzz features So Glory Dance of the Cucumber. Here's the tape with the pink oval zinc label. And there is a pretty invisible ink. Maybe they made a mistake in the writing. June 5th of 1998. That wraps up this video. Gotta go now, guys. Peace out. Stay tuned for more. Hey guys, this is me, Zachary Dagby. You're back with once again. On Tuesday, I went to a Big Brothers and Big Sales books when I got another 2000 VHS of Esther Grip King Queen. This one's in better condition. Michelle's eye popping animation board the magazine. Here's Vodka Pop Esther, the top, the other spine in the back. Sunday morning value, Saturday morning fun. The king needs a new queen. Esther has been chosen. White paper, sample, Michelle's a smash hit. Newsweek, Warcraft Entertainment, Detroit News. There's tape with ink label. And I can't see printed invisible ink, sorry. But yesterday at Bad Village I found a 2002 Warner Brothers DVD of Larry Boy the Cartoon Adventures, Larry Boy and the Ownapper. Get ready for Grover and Grissom the Ownapper. Here's the spine in the back. Sunday morning value, Sarah Mine Fun. On the Crazy VeggieTales, there's trouble in Bowling Burg as Greta Von Grissom, evil ruler of Zucchania, terrorized music fans everywhere by kidnapping the world's greatest yodelers. Bonus it's laugh-filled action pack fun that teaches kids a important lesson about greed. The Old Napper, Crazy Clay Monster. Bonus features concept art, storyboard, family fun activity, trailer, sneak previews, and articles of 5-point digital 5-point surround sound. Hey Kids, Bob Troy's Pop Quiz, Like Lego Storyboard, Family Bird Boys, Learn to Draw, Greta Von Grissom, and Junior Asparagus. The Yodelizer game, DVD Rap Fight, Hidden Easter eggs, and Close to Lara's Buzz Country Show Polar Pickles. Here's the actual disc itself, and yes, it came from Blockbuster. Oh, there's another disc. Maybe I could use that extra one to share. Has 2 discs to share. Well, that wraps up this video for now. Stay tuned for the next one. Peace out. Hey guys, this is me, Zachary Dagby here back with Good. Today I'm gonna do an unboxing. I got a tape from Amazon.ca and it's finally here. I'll unbox it right now. Hold on. This is a 2002 VHS of King George Jackie VeggieTales and Smash Hit Newsweek. Here's Biker from King George at the top, the other spider in the back. Sunday Boy Faster, 5 West Part Time, they lived a king. White paper, sample, fishes, side popping, ambition, branch, Bexy, hilariously fight, over Bexy. It says Huggy Did You Love. It has the 1998 Lyrics It has the Lyric Studios case. And I'll check if there is a. Oh! There's a hole to open it. Hold on while I open it. It's a rare copy. It was taped with the ink label and printed from June 11th of 2002. That's my box about for today, and I'll do a comparison video of Teacher Chucky on my birthday since Teacher Chucky is my favorite one. Well, gotta go now, guys. Peace out.